In this video, I'll show you how you can download Pixelmon and play it in Minecraft. Now first what you want to do is head over to curseforge.com. If you go over here and you can press on the download, get CurseForge app, and you'll come to this page. In here what you want to do is press download standalone and you'll have it up here. Simply press on the installer and press install. It's super easy. Now once you have it installed, you have it right here. It should look something like this. On the left hand side you want to press plus and add your game, which is Minecraft. You can scan your computer for games if you want, and you can also manually add it. Now if you cannot see it, make sure you have Minecraft installed on your PC as well as logged into your account. Then you can scan it. Now then what you want to do is head over to browse and search for Pixelmon. Now once you've done that, you'll find Pixelmon modpack and just download the one with the most downloads. Press install, and once it's done installing, you can simply press play and it's gonna function as normal. Now it's super easy to do, so that's about it guys. You just download the CurseForge, find it in here, press install and press play. Now that's all. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.